In this lesson, we're going to talk about retargeting and how to get people to come back to your online course or online community once they've forgotten all about it and gone astray. Now, it's not necessarily that they don't want to come back. It's just that a lot of people are busy and easily distracted. They might have started your course with the best of intentions, but then life got in the way. But that doesn't mean they're gone forever. With retargeting, you can stay top of mind and remind them why they should come back to your course. Let's say, for example, that your system detects when you set it up that this person hasn't returned to the course in about a week. Now you can set it up within your Autoresponder series to remind them, and that's something I would recommend you do. But let's say a few weeks have passed, and even though you've sent those follow-up emails, they have completely forgotten about you and your course, and there is no way to get them back. You could email them, but that could just potentially annoy them. So how do you get them back? To achieve this, you need to have Facebook Pixels and Google Ads Pixels installed as well. The method here is simply to retarget people. So let's say, for example, this is your online community, and let's say people come here. But eventually, they go away completely. So what it takes is doing Facebook ads or Google ads in terms of retargeting. That is, if you've ever visited a website, like a home improvement store, and you know about that site, and you are looking for some kind of tile replacement, then you land on a totally different website that has nothing to do with tile replacement. You might find ads for those home improvement stores. That's basically retargeting, and that's what you want to implement here. You might be thinking, why would you want to spend money, right? Why would you want to spend a few bucks to get people back? It's because if you don't get people back and you're constantly following them on the internet and they constantly remember your course, what will actually end up happening is that you will embed in their minds. They may be at work or somewhere else, and those ads follow them everywhere.
And if you're serious about learning and advancing your career, I highly recommend checking out Wiserr.io, where with a free subscription, you will be able to earn certificates for the courses you watch here on our YouTube channel. You will also find several premium courses that you can't find anywhere else. Visit Wiserr.io today.
Now, to achieve this, you'll need to have the pixel here. So I'm going to put a green circle to indicate it. The reason why you need to have a Facebook Pixel or a Google Pixel is to reorient them. They would have to have accessed at least one page on your website. The fact that they have visited this page now allows you to monitor them, telling Facebook to follow that person through the internet. And if they return by their own choice and by their own decision, it is very likely that those ads have worked, and now you have someone who doesn't feel forced, but they feel a need to come back. Well, basically, that is the strategy to follow. That's it for this course. Congratulations on completing this training. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments about the training, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Good luck with your future endeavors, and I hope to see you in the next course.